EA Sports welcomes you to Hampton, Georgia, site of today's NASCAR Winston Cup race, the Bass Pro Shops MBNA 500. I think we're in for some incredible racing, judging by this track's history.
There sure have been some incredible finishes here at Atlanta. In the March race of 2001, Kevin Harvick beat Jeff Gordon to the checkered by mere inches to win his first NASCAR Winston Cup race. Given the circumstances and the emotion of that victory, that is one that people will talk about for decades to come.
Rusty Wallace is
Blindside.
Best place for him is in your rear view mirror.
Stay calm. No need to retaliate now. You're clear. Blindside. Made it into the top 5.
Just remember, he owes us one now.
Clear on both sides. Climb high. The 17 car is still there.
Leader's right in front of you.
All clear, buddy. Blindside. Taking second. Clear.
All right, we picked up 5 bonus points for leading the lap.
On that low.
Play nice.
You're at the head of the pack.
Let's see if we can keep up this pace.
Okay, we're clear. The 12 car is coming up quick. Car inside. Clear. Number 12 down low. The 12 car is still there. You're at the point. All clear, buddy.
Trouble on the front stretch. The yellow flag is out of the field. Race back to the yellow flag. The front stretch is blocked. There's an accident. Yellow flag as they race back to the start-finish line.
You're clear. Car high. The 97 car is still there.
Whoa, watch it.
Race car is off. Waiting for a green flag to get this one back underway. And the green flag is out. Here comes the field. Racing down to turn number 1. We're back under action. Clear on both sides. Number 97 wants to get by you. On that low. Okay, we're back in second. Clear.
Don't let him by, but try not to hold him up either.
The 97 car is up high.
You've got the leader. Stay on his back bumper.
Clear on both sides.
Trouble. We have trouble here on the front stretch. An accident has brought out the yellow flag. As the field makes its way back to the yellow flag, we are under caution here on the front stretch.
Number 97 up high.
Go easy on the car. Look for him to get you back when he can. We don't want him getting beside us.
Okay, we're clear. is beating on you.
Board him if you can. He's gonna have it in for you.
The 97 car is still there. Be patient. You're clear.
He may try to pay you back. I'm sure our sponsors don't want to see a beat-up car, buddy.
The 17 car is up high.
He's been talking about you on the radio.
The yellow flag is out. Yellow is out. It's an end. The field now races back the line, but this race will be slow. Debris on the racetrack, the problem. Yellow flag here in this event. You're in the lead. The leader paces the field back as we get ready for the restart here. Green flag is in the air. They head down to turn number one. Cars in the back trying to race their way back up to the front. Meanwhile, the leader leads them down to turn number one. Okay, we're clear.
The caution flag waves. The yellow is out. This race will be slow due to debris somewhere on the racetrack. Tough race for these guys. They have good race going. We will be under a yellow flag due to debris on the racetrack.
Number 97 is inside. The 97 car made some contact. We're okay. Clear all around.
Work with the leader. Let's see if we can break away from the pack. Pace car is off, the field bunches up, and we are back underway. Green flag is in the air on this restart, as the field races its way down towards turn number one. You've caught the leader. Be patient with the pass.
Number 21 is putting a block on you. The 21 car is getting in your way.
He's looking to settle the score.
Got one down low. Number 21 is still there.
Oh yeah, he'll pay you back for that one.
You're in the lead. Clear.
He might try to rattle your cage.
The 21 cars are coming up quick. All clear, buddy. All right, side. You know what they say, pal. Rubbin's racing.
We don't want him getting beside us.
Race car is off as we get ready for a green flag. And the green flag is out. We're back underway. The leader leads the field down to the turn. Side by side racing in the back as the car is running it back up front.
We're right there. Let's see if we can lead this thing.
The 20 car is down low. Still there.
Stay alert.
Picked off another position. Clear. Got one outside.
Keep him behind you if you can.
The 97 car isn't going to let you by easily. Far outside. We're in the top 5.
Take care of that car.
Okay, we're clear. Got one high. Number 97 is going to make it hard for you to get around him. Clear on both sides.
You're right there with the leader. Stay with him.
The 97 car, top 5.
He's been talking about you on the radio.
You're clear.
I'm sure he's still angry with you.
Number 97 is down low.
And now we're dropping on the racetrack. Turn number 2. An accident in turn number 2. And we are under caution here in the race. The yellow flag is out. A problem in the corners has put us under caution. The field now races back to the line.
Clear all around. Pace car is off. The field bunches up. And we're back underway. Green flag is in the air on this restart. As the field races its way down towards turn number 1.
Keep him behind you if you can.
On our low. Stay focused. You get the lead back. Okay, we're clear.
And now caution. Caution on the racetrack. The yellow flag waves. We have a problem. It's on the backtrack. A problem on the backtrack has brought out the yellow flag. Here it is, NASCAR Winston Cup Series event. Best place for him is in your rear view mirror.
The leader paces the field back as we get ready for the restart here. Green flag is in the air. They head down to turn number 1. Cars is back, trying to make their way back up to the front. Meanwhile, the leader leads them down to turn number 1.
You let him by, he's gonna make things tough on you.
Car high. Don't worry about the car. It looks okay.
Looks like some extra hours in the body shop this week.
Just trying to help, man.
The caution flag waves. The yellow is out for a problem out on the racetrack. Tough break out there. Now the field will race back to the start-finish line, battling for position. But we are under caution. Yellow is out.
Clear on both sides.
Race leader's got 3 seconds on you. Just ignore that. No sense making him any madder than he already is.
No one inside. Okay, we're clear. The 99 car, up high. You're clear.
You've caught the leader. Be patient with the pass.
Car down low. Still there. Keep digging. The 12 car wants to get by you. You're out in front. Okay, we're clear. Car down low. You're clear.
5 more points. You've led the most. Great job.
Car low. All clear, buddy. Number 88 has got a run on you. The 88 car is inside. Clear. Got one down low. Number 88 is still there. You're clear. Car down low.
Hey, look out!
You've got the lead. Okay, we're clear.
Only 10 laps left.
The 12 car down low. Number 12 is looking low. Clear all around.
great team. Let's keep it up.